Are you a business owner who wants to build your own app? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 3 paths you can take to create your own web or mobile application. Path number 1 is to no-code it yourself. This would be using products such as Base44, Lovable, and you can actually turn these websites into a mobile app using a app wrapper such as Capacitor. I'll show you that in just a moment. You could also use Replit, Bubble, things like that. And here's an example of an application like this. This is a test health application I created called MetaRecord. And if I pop this open, it's even got its own login screen, sign in and sign up. And like I was mentioning, you could technically wrap this website as a mobile app using Capacitor or something like that. This is my brand, webappasta.com. And you wrap it up and you can publish it on the App Store for iOS and Android. So that's path 1, no code it yourself. You simply chat with Lovable, Base44, things like that, and you try and get those things to create your application for you. Now the con of this method is it's going to be somewhat limited because maybe you can't create the exact thing you're looking for. You know, there's certain guardrails on these things, so you can't really do anything, but you can do like quite a lot of basic applications in them. Path number 2 would be to code it yourself. So no longer using no code, but you're using actual code. And assuming you aren't already a developer, some basic steps here would be to download VS Code, install the Copilot extension, and have AI help you as needed. Let me show you that. So this is the VS Code application. I've actually got the insider's version, but you're going to want to use VS Code, and you're going to want to install the Copilot extension over here in the Extensions tab. Just search for Copilot, set that up, and then you can chat with AI here. Like I can have AI modify my website. Let me show you what that looks like. Here's my website, software built right, web and mobile apps. And then I'll have AI change the title to be red. And there we go. It has a proposed change here in the style file, color from white to red. Refresh this, and there we go. Now the title is red. And if you keep doing this, you might gain some basic understanding of coding, but if you don't necessarily want to learn all this stuff, and by the way, let me just undo this change because I don't want that. If you don't want to spend the time doing that and you don't want to gain this understanding and gain the responsibility that comes with launching and supporting an application, the liability that comes with it, guarding users' data, security, things like that, this is all responsibility that a developer takes on. So if you don't want to bear that responsibility, then path number 3 would be to hire a developer, right? You pretty much iterate on a design with them first, get on the same page before any code is written, and then you get them to build the actual code, the MVP, which, by the way, I'll leave a link below to one of my recent videos about the cost to build an MVP if you're hiring a developer. So you have them build the MVP and you get things working exactly the way you want. The main con here is going to be the cost, right? Because you're hiring someone to do this. So if you're a business owner, those are the 3 ways that I can think of you can get your app created for you. If you're interested in working with us, I'm Jameson, the founder of Saunders Tech Labs, where we create web and mobile applications for clients of ours. So feel free to click the link in the description if you want to learn more. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.